Very, very protective spirit. Very, very nice.
Well, I just want to orient it.
Yeah. And there's you, Margaret. I'd like to say hello again.
Hello, Margaret.
Hi, Margaret.
You protect this place, Margaret. You keep the other spirits in check.
You've been here for a long time.
Yeah. Possible female voice there. If that was you, thank you.
Whereabouts are you now, Margaret? Can you make a noise where you are, please?
You near the front of the church.
Sorry?
It's my belly. Espresso. You still here, Margaret?
Are we not very exciting to talk to?
To be fair, I'd be pretty bored if we kept getting asked the same questions over again.
Yeah.
I was just sort of here just to sort of try and prove the existence of an afterlife, Margaret, just to try and see what you can do, or if there's anything you'd like us to know.
Are you happy?
Most likely. Yeah.
Do you like being here? Did you work here? No, just you did.
Sort of earlier on, when it sort of moved around here.
Are you here, Thelma?
You able to have any of the other devices go off, just so we know it's definitely you we're talking to? Please.
I don't know anyone else is always staring at two green lights.
You'll, when you go on tonight, you'll lie in bed, you'll see that.
Yeah.
I don't want to go fishing, and if I'm going fishing with float, with a light on like that, the next day I close my eyes and I just see that light in the distance, in the darkness.
You here, Reverend Kendall?
Reverend here with us?
Would you mind if I take some photos? What's that?
I'll turn my recorder on. I'll delete my recorder on down here. photos, if you get in front, we might be able to see you.
Flash. And again. And again. Thank you.
Are you here, Walter?
Flashing up to be said that.
I see that.
Hello, Walter.
There's three.
Yeah, okay. There.
Yeah. It's like always there. It's not like.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes you see it coming down, don't you?
Yeah.
If it's dust.
What is it?
Yeah, just show anyhow. Yeah, you would, if it was
No,
stuff, you'd see it moving if it was a live thing.
Yeah.
But it's-
So yeah, I took 3 in a row. That was the first one. There's like light here.
Yeah.
Second one and third one, absolutely nothing. And see, as it's a live photo, but it's not like you see it falling down or anything. It's a bit bizarre.
What are we looking at?
Sorry, that light patch.
Hang on, I'll just get the magnifying
I
glass.
don't know if you
can't
know,
see it
you
from
know on
here.
an iPhone you get like a live photo, so it takes like a millisecond of video.
Yep, gotcha.
So if you see a dust particle, you can see it float.
Yep.
But on that one, when Steve plays it, it's just a stream of light.
Let's have a look. Hang on a sec, I'll just get me magnifying glass if I can find it, because I can't see otherwise.
Alright. So yeah, it's that. You see this light patch where my finger is? Compared to, you see this bit here, look. Compared to that photo where you've got no lighter bit here.
Yeah, go back in.
And that one as well, look, nothing there.
Yeah.
And that one.
Ah, I know what that is.
Right.
What it is, if you get an orb, and an actual camera will be able to slow it down.
Right.
But if you've got mobile phones, that'll appear as a streak.
Okay.
But that's an orb, but it's in motion.
Right. Voice recorder running again?
Yeah, I'll let the front one run anyway, mate.
Okay.
So you want that one? Feels a bit, I'm not sensitive at all.
No, there's no point me trying to pick up on that.
No, but
You're now gone into the vestry, are you?
What's that, Joe?
Oh, somebody knocked.
I just put my water bottle down.
Oh, you did. You're going into the vestry, are you?
can you go, mate?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even know. I'm just thinking when I stood here, it's kind of almost goosebumps in my right arm.
Warmer.
It feels colder, but it was cold. I'm not sensitive to all this people.
I thought it was at the front, but Tom walked to the front. I'm trying to make sure they stand on
There
it.
is one at the front there, something like that.
Oh, is there?
Should we take it with us in there?
Yeah.
Just gonna have a look. Just grab one. Grab the other one, Steve.
The other one has been flashed.
Yeah.
Although, did you just then, as I said that?
It just flashed.
Orange.
Damn.
Songs is used already.
Basically, it's where the vicar used to change from his civvies into the church clothes.
Fair play.
Is there anyone in here with us now? If so, if you come near this device in my hand, it should flash.
Here's the sound.
You're able to speak to us.
Or make a sound.
Tommy.
That's the one thing with paranormal investigations, there must be a lot of tummy noises documented.
Indeed.
Must be every kind of digestional kind of noise ever recorded. Margaret, have you come in here with us?
Put this down on the chair.
Not a lot of room in here, admittedly.
Yeah. She said she likes being here with men.
Yeah. You able to show us that you're here, Margaret? Or anyone else?
Is it Thelma?
Yeah.
I did write down the names you give me in my box. Thank you, man.
Just stand up right now and just see what you get. Something just tickled the top of my head.
You tickling Eddie's head?
It's not a spider.
There are spiders in here.
Oh, great. We're more scared of them.
Come in just a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just stand upright, not against the wall though.
You're able to touch one of us on the shoulder or on the head?
Felt something tickle my arms.
Did you?
Yeah. Under my jumper.
Did you tickle Steve?
If you did, that's fine.
He likes being tickled.
Not really, but... Could you do it again?
Can you feel anything in here?
Not particularly, but then I'm not sensitive, so I don't really...
I felt like I said, I'm nowhere near sensitive, but when it's more kind of the threshold that you passed over. I sort of just felt when I stood the back, it felt like almost like goosebumps, but they weren't goosebumps. It just felt a bit like that could have been the atmosphere in the room or not. I don't know. Buddy. It feels cold, but I don't know whether it's just.
You are wearing a t-shirt.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I can feel it on this side of my arm. It's not
Right.
like on the whole thing. It's more on this side of my arm. But I am stood in a cold church. Only class that as. Is there any other spirits in here with us, or are you in the main room? You can make a knock to let us know where you are.
Yep.
Yeah.
Most indigested in the world.
I know.
You got a sig break?
That's exactly what I was thinking.
You got a sig break? Got a sig break, Eddie?
Have a sick break, are you?
Yeah, a sig
Okay.
break.
Right, you will.
We'll see from there. I'll leave everything on. Then move to the. Are we allowed to leave that door open?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave that in here and leave that. If I leave, just on the floor.
Mm-hmm.
We see that flash if that come out.
Flashy light.
I love my flashy lights. Gives you the atmosphere of.
You left some recorders on, have you?
Yeah, I've got one here. I'm just going to stop it and I'm going to just say that we're going out on this one.
Yeah, I'll leave them on above you.
Yeah, I will.
We'll take mine off because since you got yours on.